Hello everyone, welcome back to IPEC by Sounish. Today I have again come up with a very easy problem from capacitors. As you can see the thumbnail of the video, it's a super easy problem and it is based on the fundamentals of the chapter. So let's have a look at the problem. So this is the statement of the problem. In the following circuit, there are n segments like this. This type of circular segments are there and all of them are connected like this. Each segment contain 4 capacitors of capacitance C. As you can see here, each segment contain 4 capacitors of capacitance C. Now each of them are filled with different dielectrics of dielectric constant K, 2K, 3K and 4K respectively. So now you have to calculate the effective capacitance between these 2 points A and B. So you have to calculate the effective capacitance between A and B. So this is a very easy problem. It is based on your fundamentals. So I will not show you the solution right now. I'll upload it very soon. First you do this problem on your own. Write the answer on the comment box and then you can see the solution video of mine. So thank you. See you in the next video.